And let's also write 1 in front of the y. Okay, what is the derivative of 1y? 1, and that was pertaining to a non-x, so we need dy over dx. And then for the next piece, we have, it is sine, but it's a chain rule. So what is our derivative of sine? Cosine, you keep the inside. And then when I derive the inside, we have to use our product rule. So we have derive the first piece, which is 1, times, you keep the second piece, which is y, plus, we keep the first piece, times, we derive the second piece, which is 1, and dy over dx. Good on that one? And then I want to go ahead and distribute all of the outside with the inside. So we get dy over dx as it is equal to, when I distribute to this guy, keep in mind, that xy is within the cosine. This y is by itself. So I'm going to write out that y first, cosine xy. To my second piece, that x does not go in there. It's going to be the coefficient of the cosine. Cosine xy. Then we have dy over dx. And then just like on our notes today, our dy over dx is in 2 different locations, so I need to move them. Okay? Now, which one you move to which direction, it really doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and move this guy right here. Let's move all of this over. And I'm going to leave that one as it is. So when I do, I get dy over dx minus all that components. So we have x cosine of xy dy over dx is equal to y cosine of xy. Now you guys do know there's an understood 1 in front, right? So when I do 2 things at the same time, I'm going to factor dy over dx out, and I'm going to divide it by these 2 guys. So when I do, I get dy over dx is equal to everything on the right as it is, y times cosine of xy, all over the coefficient of the dy over dx, which is 1 minus x cosine of xy. Oh, that's a y. And voila.